Hello viewers, today I'm going to do a video about showing you that shows you how to regulate a mantel clock. This is if I just get the paper out here, this is a Bee Ess mantel clock that was made on the 12th of April 1937, and it says it's a hallmark of, it says hallmark of reliability, and that's certainly true. I've got this for £50 and it's been working beautifully ever since I got it. I just need to slow it down now. Now, how to regulate it? There's a little screw at the bottom there, see? And you just turn that according to how much time you want to lose or gain. It's pretty easy, really. You can see, if you on the top there, you can see the little things that turn. One on the left turns for all the chimes that it turns to the at the start of the hour, quarter past, half past, and quarter to chimes. Then on the hour, that one starts. This one, and then does its thing. That one, then this one. Yeah, that one starts on the hour. That one starts, does the hour chime. It stops. Then this one starts and does the chimes for how many hours. Also, and it's on here, the tick is a little bit uneven, but I've sorted that out. Anyway, how to regulate it? You just, turn that accordingly. Then you should have a mantel clock that's regulated. Thank you.